We have impacts in terms of efficiency improvements, where we've got a new way of doing things, obviously cost savings. We've even had apprentices that are involved with developing the latest and greatest next generation of products that Nikken sends out to market. So they impact every area of the business, really.
Our apprentices give us a new insight. They bring freshness to the business. And in COVID-19 particularly, they have made great inroads when we have had people who have been at risk and unable to work. So they've really shone in 2020.
They're very much involved in the delivery of projects, even the management of projects, and also the development of sales and technical relationships with customers as well.
Probably one of our best examples is Sir George, who's the chairman of the board. He's an ex-apprentice. So it's a great example of how people can come in through an apprenticeship and kind of move right the way through the company.